Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 6. The seven great rishis, the ancient four, and also the Manus, possessed of powers like me, were born of my mind. From them are these creatures in the world originated and sustained.
Chapter 10, Shloka 6. Maharshayas sapta purve chatvaro manavastata madbhava manasa jata yesham loka imah prajaha.
Chapter 10, Shloka 6. The discussion from the Shloka number 2 is taken forward. Lord is the material cause and the efficient cause of the worlds which are born out of the cosmic mind, constituting the seven great rishis, the ancient four, and the Manus. The seven rishis are the subjectively nothing but one's intellect, ego, and five sense stimuli constituting the world experienced by us, forming the microcosm which, when expanded to the macrocosm fullness, becomes the total intellect, the ego, and the five great elements or the elemental qualities such as space, fire, air, water, and earth. In the self, there are potential thought disturbances which, when they become dynamic, become the thought stream, and its projections together supply us with both the material and efficient causes for our small world of joys and sorrows. The four ancients are the four factors expressing in themselves the total inner instrument born out of the mind of the Creator at the beginning of his creative activities, the bundle of thoughts flowing continuously function as the mind, intellect, ego, and chit. The seven rishis and the four ancients together control and indicate both the efficient and the material causes for the macrocosmic and microcosmic world thus created. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.